frustrated by not being able to monetize that website, that app, and even that link in your bio, then be a smart guy like me. Stop letting your project just sit there because you could be making money right now without AdSense approval. Yes. So hello everyone, it's me Harshit from SciTechie, and today in this video we will be going to look at a ridiculously easy way to monetize almost any traffic source online. So without wasting time, let's get started. So this is Monetech. Monetech is a platform for monetizing almost all types of traffic, including websites, blogs, social media, and even paid traffic. It's a perfect choice for publishers worldwide, and thanks to its high CPM rates, a variety of ad formats, and reliable payouts. The best part, these CPM rates are incredibly high. And even you can confirm the same by going through all of these case studies. Now, as you can see on your screen, that how someone earned $41,000 in Vietnam. And similarly, we have 8,700 per month, 6,600, and lot of different amount. So this will not only help you in confirming, but will also help you that how you can earn the same amount. And the reason is because they work with thousands of advertisers worldwide, including major brands for e-commerce, finance, apps, and other niches. Okay, and as a proof, you can see all of these case studies which proves this as well. Now, all advertising in Monetech undergoes a strict moderation, so there will be no scams, no adult content, shock content, or phishing. Thus, your website or traffic source will be getting safe and very good quality of ads. Now, even you can see this in this image that rejected campaigns by type contain sexual content, copyright, misleading, malware alert, phishing pattern, and all other different types. So they do carefully list ad on your website or wherever or like whatever platform you are monetizing. So you can trust Monetech very clearly because they are safe to you. And similarly, like if you look at over here, similarly they do have banned advertisers by tag. So if someone is using multi-accounting, cloaking, fake tech support, and failed KYC, so these type of ads or like any person who is trying to set up these type of ads will not be showcased over website. So you can go on with this platform. Also, the best part, they offer weekly payouts with a minimum withdrawal amount of only $5. A large number of different payment methods are supported, and this will for sure can help you in getting your fast and easy payments. And even if you look at the payment options, so you can even use cryptocurrencies, PayPal, Skrill, WebMoney, Payoneer, and a lot of different multiple options. So there is no need to worry about the pay. If you are earning it, you will be for sure getting it into your account. But the real killer feature is the ad formats. You have the classic ones like push-up notifications and banners, but this smart link is a game changer. You get one single link. You can put it in Instagram bios, mobile app button, or anywhere else. Monetech's AI automatically shows the best performing offer to each user based on their location and device. It's monetization on an autopilot. Okay, so like they do have all other formats like vignettes, banner, interstitial ad, intage push-up, pop under, which is the most profitable format, and smart link as I mentioned. Now, if you look over here, you can see all of the ad types are very perfectly supported for both desktop and mobile version. No matter it's interstitial ad or any other type of link-based ad or smart link or like any other ad, it will be supported in both of the devices perfectly fine. So you will be not be facing issues related to ad not appearing. And with all this up, like plus they have a referral program where you can earn up to 5% of commission for life from everyone you refer. It's a great way to build a passive income online. And at last, they do have 24/7 support available, which will help you by providing resolutions to all of your doubts. And if you are someone who is already frustrated by applying for AdSense again and again and not still getting any approval on any of your website, so it's time to try Monetech because it doesn't only monetize your website or app, it also helps you to monetize your social media links. So this will be a great game changer for this monetization game, and you should try it out. Not only because it will provide you a chance to monetize your social links as well, but as it does have a lot of different ads available, and this will help you out in getting your max profit from monetizing your website, your social content, links, and whatever online traffic you have. So, if you're a developer, no coder, and a creator and looking for a powerful and flexible monetization source online, then you should try Monetag, because here you can get your first ad live just within minutes. So, link is there in the description. Go and try it now. So, that's all today for this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, doubts, or suggestions, you can comment them down below in the comment section, and we will see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.